Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. So today we are going to see how we can design this geometric 3D box, which finally we are going to change to a pattern which you can reuse it on any of your project in a matter of a click. So let's not waste any more time and get into the process. Hey there, it's me vmsulthan from mnml assistant. First of all, take the rectangle tool and just click on the canvas. Just type 150 width and 150 height. Press OK. Then just change the color to something blue or any of your favorite color. Now duplicate this square 2 times. So press and hold the Alt or Option key and also press and hold Shift to align its center. And similarly do one for the upside also. Now take these 2 points with direct selection tool and bring this point to the center of the square. And similarly do the same for the upside also, that is, take this point, bring this point to the center of the square. Now we need to select 2 colors, one of which are tint and one of which are shades. So for that, go over to Window and click on Color Guide. From here you can see many of the color harmony. From here I will go and choose for monochromatic 2 and then just double click over here and it's gonna give you the light and dark colors. So take this right square and click on lighter color and again take this square and click on a darker color, which gives a 3D illusion to us. You can interchange it as you want, doesn't matter. Alright, so I will go with these colors. Now just select the whole shape and group it with Command or Control plus G, or you can also right button on it and here you will see group option. Anyway, now duplicate the same by holding Alt or Option key on your keyboard and place it like this. Now zoom into this point and press and hold Control and make it align to this point. Now rotate it 180 degree and then align this point. Again press and hold Control or Command on your keyboard and align it like this. Now if you want, you can delete this square because same color is overlapping. So if you want, you can delete it, or else it doesn't matter, just keep it there itself. So now select it all and again group it. After that, what you have to do is that take the direct selection tool and click on this square, okay, and then we have to remove this fill. So just click on none, that which gives you a shape like this. Now in order to make patterns, you have to duplicate in this manner. So just press and hold the Alt or Option key and duplicate it and zoom in a bit. Press and hold Command key and align it with the selection tool. Okay, similar way, select the both shape, duplicate it again and press and hold Command key and align it over here. Now select it all again. Let's resize it a bit. And now it's really simple. Just select it all, go to Object, Pattern and Make. So these are the pattern option. So from here you can always play around with these settings if you need to. If you want to do exactly the 3D option, just follow with me. That is, let's rename it to 3D box pattern. Now change the tile type to hex row and now just play around with the value and I will show you what exactly has came to me. Now you can always use all these tools in here also, so let's zoom in a bit so we can see it more clearly. Now change the value accordingly. Make sure that it's precise and it's to the point. Okay, so these are the values that I came up with: 225 for width and 150 for the height. Sometimes it might be different for you, so just play around with these values until it become perfect. Okay, after that just press done here. Now you might be asking, where is the pattern? Well, it gets saved to the swatches. So what you have to do is that draw a rectangle and instead of selecting a color, we choose this 3D box pattern which we have just created, and clicking on it will give you the 3D pattern. And again, the cool thing is that you can use it for any of the shape you want. And let me choose it. So if you want to see how I change the edge values so easily, you can always check out my other videos on my channel. I have posted some design tips something like around these days, so definitely check that, and I will leave a link in the description below for sure. Okay, so I'll go with this shape, and as you can see, it's already got filled because our fill was this pattern. If it's not for you, just select the shape, and from the swatches panel, oh by the way, if the swatches panel is not visible for you, just go to window, and from here go over down, and you can see swatches here. So just click over there, and of course it will show over here. Okay, now let's say you need to use this pattern on a different project. Let's see how we can do it. Press File, New, just any of the resolution, and from here this time let's draw a star. Okay, now when we go to the swatch panel, we cannot see that pattern. But why? Because we have created the pattern over here. So now what you have to do is that just select it and copy by Command or Ctrl+C, and go to the new layer and paste it somewhere. Okay, and as you can see, we got the swatches here, 3D box pattern. Now it's just a matter of selecting the shape and choosing the pattern from here. There you have it, guys. Hope you found something useful from this video, and if you want to see more design tutorials, definitely like, share and subscribe to this channel, because we will be bringing more design tutorials just for you on every third day. Alright, so hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.